G'day! In today's video I'm looking at an Acer Aspire Go AG14-71M F1 manufactured just last year, in April 2025. And the real kicker was, so I said it wasn't a cheap machine, it's running a Core Ultra 5, and the issue was that the hinge broke. So you close it and the hinge stays there. The dilemma though is Acer have completely cheaped out on this machine. What I typically see is the back cover, the bottom cover, a hinge and a couple of screws holding this onto here. This one is glued. And there's a little bit of tape there just to keep it nice and secure. They've absolutely cheaped out on the hinges on this. Check that out. Typically I expect a bit of plastic here and a couple of screws holding it in. Instead, the hinge itself is just fused to the back cover. That to me is an absolute cheapskate. So they've made it slightly lighter by directly mounting the hinges straight onto here. So if I do want to do an LCD screen cover replacement, I would have to also replace both the hinges as they are already attached to here. So you can see it on this side, hinge down here, pivots just fine. As soon as you get a single knock on that corner, it's just going to take itself out. So that is absolutely ridiculous and a modern trend that can definitely go away, amongst other nicer words to say. It could be something that could potentially be glued back in, but I wouldn't trust the glue. So overall, just been a cheapskate. Hinges have been a problem for years. Hinges have been getting worse for years. This seems to be the next evolution of shit hinges in laptops.